Hey amigos, may hapon. We're having dinner today. Fritzie just arrived this morning. I arrived around 2 p.m.
Yeah.
I have 3 days here. How about you?
6 days.
Oh wow. I'm so jealous
But
right now.
4 days thereafter. So shorter next week.
Yeah, because I'll have a longer off after
next week.
my next
Yeah.
work week. So I'm so excited. So what are we having for tonight? Tonight.
So
Fritzie.
this is what you brought from Mannheim. Cassava cake.
Yung cassava cake.
Thank you, Teta. Thank you, Tita Gemma.
Yeah. Ano pa?
And Hubert cooked some, I don't know.
What's this?
Sinigang.
And what's that?
And pork binagoongan.
Yes. Shout out to Hubert.
Thank you.
He can't be here tonight because he's having duty. He is on his third, right?
Third, I don't know.
Third of his 7-day duty. And I bought, I bought some plantains earlier. This is gonna be Fritzie's first time.
Yeah.
Plantains is kind of just like bananas.
I don't know, but when I saw it, it's so big.
Yeah. It's different. It's kind of like a bigger
Version of lakatan.
version of lakatan, but it
yellow.
tastes more like saba.
Saba, okay.
Yeah. And this morning I bought some falafel. It's just that I could not really finish it all. It was so big, but it's very delicious. And since you guys have noticed, also we don't have rice because we're on diet. We're trying to cut
Carbs.
from our lives.
As if.
We're trying to be healthy, and
But we have Coke here.
we need the sugar. We cannot deprive ourselves.
So, kaunta.
Yeah, mga unta. I suggest you guys eat with us. Type down below what you guys are eating.
Yeah.
I hope it's Filipino food. Pinahiglo.
Oh! We miss Filipino food.
I really love this sauce. How did you find out about this one, Fritzie? Wala lang. You just saw it and you bought it.
Yan actually.
Ah, okay. I love this.
Naman siya? It's good. Wala na siya meat, no?
Wala. Because Hubert loves meat, we just have to offset all the meat.
Yeah.
And I'm not really a big meat eater. And if you guys, Fritzie, if you notice, but this is the falafel and there's so much
Vegetables?
that's the vegetable.
What are these vegetables?
Like lettuce, like
And this
different
yellow
vegetables.
one, what's this?
This is chickpea.
Ah.
Yeah, falafel is made up of chickpea.
Okay.
Tapos this morning, I saw kaning the flatbread. It was made in front of me. Ginmasa pa siya. Tapos
so it's fresh?
It's very fresh.
It's really fresh.
Yeah. My concern with this one is that since it's a falafel, right? However, the falafel is so small. And there's too much
Stuff inside.
So for me, I really think that since it's a falafel, the star of the show would have to be the falafel, right? So probably this would have been better if the lesser salad, because you cannot taste the falafel anymore.
Yeah, but it tastes good still.
Yeah, but for the price of €5, it's already okay.
It's really good without meat, huh?
Especially that part with the falafel.
Really good. And the sauce complements.
I really love this sauce.
No, naman ito, no? I think we bought that in Edeka.
Since we don't have rice, we're just going to substitute it with this plantain.
This is my first time.
Have you tried frying saba before? Yung kanang almost ripe na? Yeah, it's really good.
Namit? Namit siya like, tastes like sab-aman gid.
The ripe saba, no?
Even sweeter. No?
Yeah.
Feels like home again.
I did not expect to find this one in the Turkish ladder.
So you didn't start? How much?
Forgot it.
Per piece?
Yeah, per piece. It's like, with the ampalaya, I paid around less than €5. With the with the condensed milk.
Ah, okay.
So probably less than €1.
Really good. Without this meat, it's really healthy. Tani. Wala din. But
also when Fritzie and I talk, we speak in Ilonggo because I grew up in Iloilo. I spent a huge chunk of my childhood in Iloilo.
I'm so grateful that Alexis knows Ilonggo because almost everybody here are Bisaya. So I can understand a bit, but
now she speaks Bisaya now.
yeah.
Diba? Hindi ka na.
My
Sometimes
Dutch is not improving, but my Bisaya is.
Sometimes I speak to her in Bisaya and she can.
Yeah, I can understand.
Namit siya.
Namit siya, Lex. Good.
Tapos I'm pretty sure Andy will say,
Kaon
again.
naman.
Yes,
this
Andy,
is what we do, guys.
Andy, we have to eat. Andy is our Deutsch instructor in Cebu.
Yeah.
Hubert's sinigang is
Good, no?
yeah.
And saan ka duty ka?
Yeah.
Ano imong kaon? Like, what's your diet comprised of?
Wait. I didn't eat that much. That's the reason why I feel so. It's okay for me to eat a lot.
Yeah, kung off now, that's what we do.
Because I didn't have that much time, and I just wanted to sleep. I just wanted to rest.
Ako, I usually eat cereals there and Piccadilly.
I brought my chia seeds with me.
Nagamit mo?
Oh, and and Penny there didn't have a what do you call this? Coconut milk, so I just use soya.
Okay.
And I don't love the soya milk here in Germany because it's not as good as
Vitamilk, yeah.
Vitamilk, which is a Japanese brand.
It is?
Hindi namin ang Vitamilk. And also in Australia, they have many versions of Vitamilk. They have
But in the Philippines, only vanilla and chocolate, right?
No. Banana. And Thai tea. Thai milk tea.
I haven't seen that. I only had chocolate and the vanilla before.
It's like when I saw it in Robinson's, I was like, oh my god, I just had to buy one. It was okay.
Good?
It wasn't really like the best Thai milk tea in there, pero for its price, like it's 19 pesos.
Yeah. Ano siya sa bottle, no? We just missed cassava. Thank you, Tita Gemma. Alex came from Mannheim.
Yeah.
He visited his auntie.
You don't like, you don't want to eat the binagoongan, you know.
Kaon man.
Yeah, but the thing is, it's all meat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hubert is
A meat eater.
meat eater.
You know, I asked Fritzie earlier what could have been like a perfect vegetable ingredient for binagoongan.
Talong.
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 Pero namit siya.
Try mo.
No, I had this kanina lunch. I think at least it's all fiber and protein.
Less on carbs.
Tapos yesterday I had to eat all you can. That's the reason why. Pero
Nakita ko yung story Lex Isa. Oh my god.
Pero
Where is this?
I ate more of the katong mga seafoods like the
Sashimi?
calamaris. Not so much with the sashimi. Tapos like there's a part in there nga it's raw and you can have it cooked. But you just have to choose your own sauce.
Okay.
Then they will fry it, like stir fry it for you.
Do we have like buffet here in Vietnam?
Nine. You have to go to there.
Yeah.
Maybe next time. No, but that was my first eat all you can here in Germany.
No? We seldom eat outside because we cook here.
Our place is kind of like a restaurant.
Yeah. It's like a buffet also.
So a lot of people come here, we just invite them and we just eat.
They just visit us and then we just eat. Sometimes they also bring food.
Shout out to Yola and August.
August. Hi mga beshi. August is supposed to be here, but he has duty, so...
Night shift. And Yola is somewhere.
Yeah.
Assigned up north, right? Namin siya i-pair sa ano?
Sa banana?
Banana, and even with the...
Oo! Ubus ko na ganyan ako.
But I'm not sure ha, like for our dinner place here, kung they have falafel.
Wala guro
No, ay ba?
Ang ginbaklan mo, nag-sell man sila doner.
It's a dinner place, good.
Dami kayo makahang, no? It's a bit spicy.
Oh. We're going to eat the Nova later. I want one Nova.
I haven't eaten Nova for a long time.
That's my favorite Philippine chips.
Ala ako man, Lex.
Because it's not salty.
Mas gusto ko siya compare sa Piatos.
I love Piatos, but I can only
Gusto ko
eat
Piatos
so
cheese.
much. Yeah. The blue one, diba? Mr. Chips, okay
Good
lang.
man, ako.
Those are like my top 3.
Ako Nova again.
I don't like, I mean, chippy, I will eat it for the sake of, parang just to reminisce when I was a kid. But as I got
salty,
older,
no?
I don't like chippy anymore. Grabe, this is like meat galore, no?
Super. Like he cooked this before we leave. Para ko nung may amdan na nga doon, di ba?
It just makes me miss fish sinigang.
Ay, oo. Pero hindi ko, basta, ano nga fish? Dalang sa
Probably,
sabaw.
agad shrimp sinigang.
Ay, good.
May shrimp sila di.
Mera.
Maybe next time we should try shrimp sinigang here. No? So we still have a lot of sinigang mix, right?
Oo, I think. And Hubert can get one in. Grabe. There's a lot of meat.
Pwede ba siguro tofu binagoongan?
Oo, Mera.
Really? Ka-try ka?
Wala. Hindi ko kunin sa tofu.
Really?
Depende sa tofu, ano. Mga veggie meat. Hindi ko kunin.
Really? Pero you love the burger that I cook.
Oo! Namit to.
Pero it's okay that we're eating meat once in a while because we try to cut meat from our life. Just like toxic people, we cut them off.
Of course, we need to. And we must to. My gosh.
It's for our mental
For
health.
our mental health and
The meat for the physical health.
being.
The toxic people for our mental health.
Mental and emotional.
And that's your favorite tea, right?
Yeah.
How did you discover this one, Fritzie?
Wala, I just saw it sa Edeka and then looks good.
And you like the packaging?
Yeah. And it's light. It's not too sweet.
Not
Have you
too sweet
tasted
as not too sweet as C2.
And that one is your favorite.
Pao lang pa ako, Tito Boy.
Walang perfect dito, boy. I'm so sorry. Minsan nagkakamali din. And Alexis loves it frozen.
Very cold. Ito na lang nagpapaligaya sa akin, Tito Boy.
Sigurado ka ba? Wala bang nagpapaligaya sa'yo ngayon? Sa mga panahon ngayon, Tito Boy? Baka gusto mong talakayin natin yan sa susunod na kabanata.
Travel.
Guys, sa mga gustong
which we don't do.
paligaya kay Alex.
But Fritzie, she has loads of admirers.
Ah, no? Oy, te.
Let's throw this one.
Toxic admirers.
How many now are texting you?
Shut up.
I don't wanna eat meat anymore. Kanina lang siguro. Can finish this, no?
Hindi naman
Because this is fiber.
Yeah.
And I won't feel guilty if I eat that. Siguro one slice of the binagoongan. And we can give August these tomorrow. Like you can have some.
There's still a lot. You said you will bring lumpia
Oh yeah.
tomorrow. It depends if you can still manage because you'll be coming from a night duty, so you must be tired.
But he's just patient. It's just very near. He comes home every night.
Oh, yeah.
Every day.
Every day.
I know, cause like normally on a night shift, we don't sleep right away. Diba?
We have to adjust our sleep cycle again.
Yeah. So we can come here tomorrow. It's gonna be brunch.
Yeah.
Brunch.
You can just maybe rest a bit and prepare and then come here and relax. You can also relax here.
Yeah. This is the apartment ng bayan.
Yeah. So full. This is our last meal, ha?
For tonight.
For tonight.
Oh yeah, exactly. No, because we're going to eat Nova pa.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, I'm so
Try
full.
this.
Mag-slice ako that later, like one slice.
Ako gamay lang kayo daw. Carbs ni, right?
It's kasaba.
Pero may something.
Yeah.
May cheese pa, Tita Gemma,
may
ha?
cheese ba?
The diet.
When was the last time you had cassava cake?
I can't remember. So, maybe 2 years ago.
Really?
I know!
Anong 2 years ago?
I remember you brought something.
Sa for bread.
Last time.
No, it wasn't
It
cassava.
wasn't cassava.
Biko man to.
Well, it wasn't cassava. So it was like 2 years.
Last year you didn't have cassava at all? You don't like cassava cake sa Philippines?
Okay lang.
Oh my God.
I like cassava, but not cassava cake.
Ginamit yun yung cassava cake.
Sa DM?
Sa Cebu. She was a former trainee of mine and just outside the Carmelite Church during Sunday, her mom would cook a lot. Tapos kanagong nakabox.
Hindi na baligya, wala.
Oo. As inamit namin. And they cooked it sa kanagong...
Dapog? Ano ba?
Anong dapog?
Hindi daw traditional nga lutuan.
Very traditional. That's why it's a little bit smoky. You can...
Daw bibingka?
Daw in a way, yeah. It's cooked like a bibingka.
I miss bibingka.
And they have so much cheese. Amazing.
It's good. Now, let's relax. I can have this for breakfast.
Tomorrow.
It's really good. One of the best cassava cakes that I have ever tasted. Namit siya? Tito Gemma.
Ako namitan nga cassava cake. Like what I really love is if it has like slices of coconut.
Gusto mo ang may nawatsagan mo gitang coconut na.
Oo, kanang not the strips. Not the strips, yeah. But it's like the flat ones, like parang coconut meat.
Ang coconut nga gulang na old or ang Ang daw baby pa.
Daw magulang sa buko.
Tiga ka na.
Not so hard. Kanang kung...
Namiyon ka na?
Not the spaghetti strips, but like the flat ones.
The flat.
Tapos ibutanan nila diya when they cook it.
Daw bibing ka man, Alex?
Ito it's still kasaba. No, it's kasaba.
Okay.
With loads of cheese on top.
I like it.
Yeah. We'll have wine later, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. We'll discuss it. We'll have our own podcast.
And we will be discussing your... We'll be discussing
a lot of things.
Life.
A lot of things. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw, guys. I hope you got full as well.
Guys, basta yan na personal, no?
Tschüss.